Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 8.1 because this is a viewer request that I got a while ago. So yeah, let's just get started. We're going to go Windows 8x64-bit edition, and obviously we're going to do Windows 8.1, and we're not just going to be installing this. I'm also going to be completely checking this out, like stuff like that. So we're gonna give this 4 gigabytes of RAM. Let's give it 4 CPU cores, and yes, we're gonna virtualize AMDV because I'm stupid. And last time I checked out Windows 10 build LTSC, I forgot to check this. So that's really dumb. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to My Drive, and we're going to drop in Windows 8.1. So yeah, let's just drop in Windows 8.1. Here it is. Now, okay. Now the next, so after you do this, after you put it in, we're gonna just click close here, finish, and now I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back, and we're going to start the virtual machine here. And now what you want to do, AMD is not supported on this platform. That's a bit confusing. I just got an error message saying virtualized AMDV is not supported on this platform. Sure, I guess. Failed to start this virtual machine. Cool. So apparently we did something wrong. Okay, maybe we don't give it 4 CPU cores. Let's just give it 2. Now we'll start the virtual machine. So yeah, maybe we should only give it 2. Looks like, okay, let's just try unchecking this. Okay, let's just try unchecking virtualize, and we're gonna power on the virtual machine again and hope that it works. It works now. I'll try checking this again after we get it installed. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure the disk is in, which it is in, and there you go. Once you put the disk in, you'll get to this screen. This is the booting screen where Windows 8.1 is going to boot. So that's interesting. So the next thing that you want to do is just wait for this to load. So I'll be back once it loads. Alright, so we're back, and what you want to do is you want to click on next, install now, and right here once the setup is starting. So this is normal, just wait for this. So yeah, it's probably gonna ask for a product key. Yeah, right here, it's gonna ask you for a product key. So I'm just gonna enter that real quick. Alright, so after you enter the product key, you have to accept the license terms. So just click here and then click next, then click on custom. If you want to upgrade, you can click upgrade if you have a version of Windows, but you would have to boot off of, you would have to boot into your Windows installation and then do that. So make sure you choose custom here, and there we go. Now it's going to be installing Windows 8.1. So I'll be back once this is done. So yeah. Alright, so we're back, and now it's gonna ask you to choose a color. So let's go with green, of course. We're gonna do tutorial because this is a tutorial. We're gonna click next, and we're just gonna use express settings just because it's gonna be faster. And now it's gonna ask you to set up an account. So you can ask to create an account. Now how to skip this is to click create a new account, and obviously it should fail here. Yeah, something went wrong and we couldn't set up your Microsoft account. Then click create a local account, and then type in your name. I'm just gonna put my name here, and for the password I'm going to type in a password. Amazing. Click finish, and now it's going to check for updates, which hopefully it probably won't find any because Windows 8.1 is out of support, but just in case it does, just disable the network adapter so that you won't find any updates. So yeah, I'll be back once something interesting happens. Alright, so now it's gonna do this. Let's start. Okay, and there we go. We are in, and it takes us to the start screen here, which is pretty finicky here. You can obviously use this for if you want to go to the. Of course, this is Windows 8.1. Ideally meant for touchscreen users. So yeah, here's the desktop here. You can obviously change the screen resolution by going here, going to 1920 by 1080. You can install VMware tools if you want. I'm just not going to for this one. we can click personalize here, and we can change the wallpaper to whatever we want. Let's say we want this wallpaper, this one, the lines one in the beta builds, or we want this one, or maybe we even want this one. So yeah, let's just keep it on this one, to be honest. So yeah, we can see we've got Windows 8.1. We could run WinVer here, Windows 8. It's gonna show up just fine here. So yeah, this is just basically a quick tutorial on how to get Windows 8.1 installed. I know this was a viewer request that you guys wanted me to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and I'll obviously see you in the next video. So yeah, bye everybody.